Be standing outside when it's lightning like that. It's not safe. Okay? Standing out in the rain is fun, but you don't stand outside when
We're not. We're
lightning.
standing under the awning.
No,
That's the awning?
Yeah, that's the awning.
she wasn't a minute ago.
No, because she was taking pics of us.
This is part... Wait, what's the part? Like... Oh, it's part 4. I meant to say it's part 4.
Oh, boy.
Cause, oh, wait, this is part 5. I meant part 5 or 4. Because all of a sudden it's absolutely like, gonna be watching the rain. So let's just take a look at this.
Please get 1,000 views and subscribe to her. That's recording.
Yes.
Bethany, come here.
I know, Bethany. Bethany, you need to get your swimsuits and put them away.
Oh, why?
Why? Now you say that.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't walk out there. Just wait till it... See? That's why you don't go out there.
Right there.
Right there. Right there.
I think I stopped you, didn't it? Come on.
The rain was extremely angry.
That was crazy loud.
God is mad. Okay. Add some more.
God is mad.
Yeah.
I do believe God is absolutely mad. God is so mad. So mad. If you guys heard that big flash and loud thunder, God is absolutely really mad. Yeah. Oh my crap, I saw a flash. What is this? Yeah. God is madder than the boogeyman. Oh, please shut up. Sorry. Hey guys, can we watch the rain? Sure. Dipsy, Lalapo, Nunu, Tom, and Beth. Looks like the gang is all here. Ugh, there's a bug in here. That's disgusting. Carefully. Now that was a flash. That scared me, actually. Now this is even more fun and entertaining than usual. Hey, make some room for me. Hey, can you see, you two? Yeah, we can all see perfectly. Yeah. I saw that huge flash, if you guys just saw that. I do believe that God is absolutely really mad right now. Yeah, God is really mad. Yeah, he's crapped. He's totally crapped. Because all of a sudden he is like, oh my crap. No, all of a sudden, maybe we can absolutely pick someone to be our lead singer. What do you mean? Oh, I saw that. That freaking scared me. So what do you think, DLR? Any ideas? I don't know. Baby Jesus can absolutely be pretty cool. Baby Jesus? Is that what you said? I feel like Baby Jesus has enough talent real well. Yeah, maybe. I bet he's probably some good talent real well. Yeah, because all of a sudden he like sets the bar real high. So if you can't turn water into wine, you're crapped. True. And Baby Jesus cannot absolutely sing. Yeah, you better think of another way for you to do it. No, Baby Jesus has some serious power. Wait, that's what you just said? Yeah. No, I feel like baby Jesus has enough power real well. Yeah, maybe I bet he's probably having a good power. No, all of a sudden baby Jesus has power and you can't, and all of a sudden he looks like Moses. So if Moses cannot rise the water, then you're crapped. That's also true. Yeah, and you can't also choose Moses either. Yeah, so you better know that. Well, I know that. Well, this is insane. And I saw that flash. 1, 2, 3. Well, I'm pretty scared right now. We should really stop. Yeah. So thank you all so much for watching. This has been the Color Beanie Cool Reads. So until next time, guys. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Let's just do one more time. I do believe... Hope I don't see that flash from over there.